I keep saying it. Keep saying what? The same thing over and over again. Wat is it? Just that you can find great art lessons and classes on portraitartacademy.com and that you can just... Yes, we know. Just let's go into the content of the video.
Messed up. But yeah, see? And then from here, it goes all the way over there. So we have this nice square rooftop. And it's going to make total sense. See? Now, if we erase the lines that we don't need, you just always have to kind of see that kind of thing. You have to carefully pay attention. Okay, these lines I need, these lines I don't need. If you don't need them, get rid of them, because they're just going to be in the way and they're just going to confuse you. There's going to be so many lines. So this is going to be the bottom of that. And there's going to be another skyscraper right there. See, this one's going to be way high. It's going to be on this left side. See, in this case, I didn't draw the 3 lines first, just to make it easier. But I drew these 2 lines above the horizon that goes to these 2 vanishing points, and then I drew these 3 lines that go to the bottom vanishing point, to the third vanishing point. And then see, from this skyscraper, you cannot see the rooftop, because even though this bird's flying so high, this is above his or her horizon. See, but these ones are below it, so you can see the roof. Does that make sense? Hope it does. Okay, so we're going to draw another skyscraper, and the roof is going to be also above the horizon, so it's going to be huge. So big the bird won't be able to see it. So, ta-da. It takes a little bit of practice to get all that right. And this one is going to be even wider than the other one. So it's going to be next, this line is next to it. It could be behind it, but in this case I didn't do that. So look at that. And so this one, this is the roof. It's going to go, it's almost horizontal because it's so close to that horizon. See that? And then from this point, it goes all the way over there. And then from this point, it goes all the way over there. And then we have that roof. See? Yep. Almost. Yeah. Aim. Okay. And then once we erase those other lines, it makes perfect sense. See, now we have this other skyscraper that's hiding behind this one. I guess it's below the horizon. Sorry I said that. But yeah. Now we have 4 skyscrapers, 1 above the horizon, 3 below it, and the bird is so high in the sky that he's looking straight down to this vanishing point. It just disappears at the bottom of the street. Okay, so this is going to be the bottom of the skyscraper next to this one that we're going to draw. So here you got these 2 angles, one at this vanishing point and one to the other one, that determine the bottom 2 walls of that skyscraper. See that?
Wow, you really know what you're talking about, huh? Thanks for explaining that to the students.
And I'm sorry I said skyscraper because it appears to be a house. Almost don't remember what I drew. But I did draw it all myself, and so now I'm putting the commentary here. So yeah, this is a little house, and it's very little because the bird can barely see it. You know, it's barely like popping out of that skyscraper that's in the way. Here we can draw a cross again. See, from this angle to that corner to that corner, and that will determine the middle. And now be careful, don't draw a horizontal, a vertical line. You got to make sure that the middle goes. This line through that cross goes to this bottom vanishing point. And then from this corner and this corner, you can draw the lines that go to the middle of the rooftop. And then from here, of course, the rooftop, it goes all the way to this vanishing point, see? And because I zoomed out too much, I messed it up a little bit. But now we have a beautiful little home, and we can erase this cross. It's not very important anymore because we don't need the middle of the home anymore. Now, what's up next? Let's erase a few lines because they're just in the way. I'm not going to use them anyway. Maybe later we will. I make that mistake sometimes. Okay, so we're going to use this line. And we're going to line it up over there so we can draw another building right next to the house. That house is just being beaten up by a bunch of bullies, a bunch of skyscraper bullies. So we need 3 lines to this vanishing point. Remember that. One goes to the top. See, this is above the horizon, so we don't need to draw this whole roof. But this is a roof determined by these 2 lines that go to this and this vanishing point. Look how big this skyscraper is. It's huge. But because it's behind these, it's towering above it. You can see it, but you can not see the parts that are behind it. Does that make sense? See, so you can erase this line too. Come on, erase it. Almost. So yeah, that makes it. There we go. So yeah, and it's lined up, and yeah, it goes over there. So now, hold on a sec. Yeah, let me erase these lines. Okay, so we're going to use this same vanishing point, and we're going to draw Los Angeles. I was going to say San Antonio because we were just there, but see, so we have another skyscraper. They're all the same principles. It looks more complicated, but it really isn't. It's the same principle. You got these 3 lines that go to this vanishing point. One goes over there, one goes over there, and you got another skyscraper.